Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy. Life cycle of ants. Ants, one of nature's strongest creatures, are truly remarkable. There are over 12,000 species of ants, and some are said to be able to lift 20 times their own body weight. That's like a 7-year-old lifting a car. Ants are invertebrates because they do not have a backbone. They belong to the insect group. Most ant species are omnivorous, which means they eat both plant and animal matter. Let's take a look at the parts of an ant. An ant has a head with two antennae on top, a thorax, an abdomen, and 6 legs. Ants can be found on every continent except Antarctica because it is too cold. These marvelous creatures live in social groups called colonies. Some of nature's most expert architects, ants, built their colonies in a variety of places. Some built their colonies underground, some in trees, under rocks, in forest litter, and even in rotting wood. They are versatile and adaptable. Ant colonies are amazing. For those species that tunnel underground, they build very intricate structures. Beneath the surface of the mound are numerous tunnels that connect rooms or chambers, each with their own purpose. There are chambers for food storage, and there are chambers that serve as nurseries for juvenile ants. Furthermore, some of the chambers are used by the adult workers as a resting room. There are 3 main types of ants in a colony: the queen, the males, and the female workers. Both the male ants and the queen have wings. The queen sheds her wings when she is ready to nest and lay eggs. As her name suggests, the queen is the leader of the colony. Her sole job is to lay thousands of eggs to prolong the life of the colony. Depending on the species, some queen ants can live up to 30 years. Some ant colonies will have multiple queens. The male ants, or drones, have one purpose in the colony. Their job is to mate with the queen so that she can continue to lay eggs. Drones usually die soon after mating with the queen. The most abundantly occurring ants in the colony are female workers. Likely, if you have ever seen an ant, it was a female, as they are responsible for foraging for food, building up the nest, caring for the young, and protecting the colony. Let's take a look at the life cycle of an ant. Ants grow through a four-stage process known as a complete metamorphosis. The life of an ant starts in an egg. Ant eggs are small, soft, and oval-shaped. From the eggs, the ant larva will emerge. Ant larvae have no eyes or legs. They eat a lot, so they rely on the adult caretakers to provide food constantly. They grow rapidly and molt as they get bigger. Once the larva is ready to transition to the next phase of life, it will form a cocoon made of silk around its body. The larva usually makes its cocoon near a solid surface like the wall of the nest. While inside the cocoon, all the cells of the body will be completely transformed into the adult ant. The final stage of the ant's metamorphosis is complete when the adult ant emerges from its cocoon. The entire life cycle of most ant species is usually between 6 and 10 weeks. Let's review. Like most insects, ants undergo a complete metamorphosis as they progress through their various stages of life. They hatch from an egg to the larval stage, then build a cocoon in the pupa stage before finally emerging as an adult. Did you know that ants do not have ears? They communicate with each other using various scents called pheromones, as well as through vibrations in the ground, and they experience this through their feet. Time for another fun fact. Ants do not have lungs, yet they breathe. They breathe air in and out through tiny holes in their bodies. Ants have been around for many years. These fascinating creatures continue to intrigue researchers and scientists alike. Ants are highly adaptable and, like all creatures, play a vital role in their natural ecosystem. The next time you get annoyed at a group of ants for crashing your outdoor mealtime, just know they're working hard to maintain and sustain their colony. Thanks for learning with me today. As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezahomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.